20 years, people must go to school. The children must go to work.
Only money that I want.
And to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
Not MacG accusing Minnie Dlamini of having a bad smell down there. Hi, your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But during one of the episodes for Podcast and Chill run by MacG and Sol Penduga, they were having a conversation around why is Minnie Dlamini struggling to keep a man because she has been married several times. But the first husband was Kune, and then the second one was Johnson, and yet again none of those marriages seemed to have lasted for a longer time. I guess, Sana, of course you know how people are in the society. Once your marriage fails, they of course start to develop questions and answers surrounding that. I guess during this episode, MacG answered ukuthi hayi bandla, perhaps usisi have an unpleasant smell down there baby girl wakhe. But Sandibomkosi, I don't wanna lie. MacG definitely on this one ume ngenye, because what? People on social media were so angry at MacG and Sol Penduga, stating that their podcast, it is becoming so unpleasant and it is of course hurting other people, and others are encouraging Minnie Dlamini to sue MacG for the defamation of a character. Sana, hayi bandla, I was also shocked. Others are stating that allegedly it might be that the reason why MacG is so comfortable about speaking about other women or a woman's body part, this shows that he is a narcissist. Allegedly. But Handi Bomkosi. Moja Love decided to step in on this conversation, defending Minnie Dlamini about the allegations that MacG have stated on her. Ayebandluyazi Mzansi, they are now mocking Moja Love because they are too quick to jump and judge others, whereas they are still busy airing that toxic show Isencane Lengane, whereby Uthando is constantly being abused week in, week out. Sana, hayi bandla ziyakhala impela. Just to respond, Bathandibomgosi, MacG decided to post on Twitter encouraging people to buy tickets for the uncancelable event that MacG and podcast they are about to hold, stating that he wants people to know why they are called uncancelable. Hayibo sana, kanti kwenziwani eMzansi? Siyalwa na? Please do leave your comments down below. Do you think it was okay for MacG to make such comments on Minnie Dlamini's baby girl? Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.